Today we will be talking about expressive means and stylistic devices. We are going to deal with the definitions, differences, and examples. In linguistics, there are different terms to denote specific means by which a text is made effective. There are different ways actually that a speaker or a writer can use to indicate different meanings, different emotions, and different connotations. This can be done by two different ways. The first one is the expressive means, and another technique is the stylistic devices. Let's start first by talking about the expressive means. Expressive means are those phonetic, morphological, word-building, or lexical forms which they exist in a language for logical or emotional intensification. They are actually called intensifiers. Some of them are labeled in dictionaries. If we get some examples of expressive means, we can have, for example, words like very, extremely, incredibly, or shall. These are actual words that are used in the English language in natural everyday conversation. But actually, when they are being used, they may change the shade of meaning. When I say, for example, I'm angry, differs from saying I'm very angry, and this is also different from saying I'm extremely angry. Another example, if we say I'm sorry, is different from saying I'm dreadfully sorry. He does it, is different from he shall do it. It's more intensified. Okay, so if we go back to the definition, the first word in the definition, or the first part of the definition, says they are those phonetic. Yes, the most powerful expressive means are actually phonetic, because the human voice can indicate meaning through parameters of speech, pitch, melody, stress, and even whispering. Okay, so on the other hand, we have the idea of the stylistic devices. Stylistic devices are conscious and intentional literary use of language facts with the purpose of further intensifying a text. Like what? Like when you are using a simile or a metaphor. When you are saying he's as busy as a bee, you are intentionally using a simile here. They fought like cats and dogs. Again, the speaker intentionally uses a simile. There's a metaphor in saying the snow is a white blanket. Another intentional use of metaphor comes in she is a shining star. So this was actually a quick preview of the differences between expressive means and stylistic devices. Thanks for watching and see you soon.